Survive this brutal crash? Escape the icy river? Flip before hard landing? Are you ready for the thrill? Let's dive in. Watching the truck wobble before collapsing was terrifying. Is it really worth risking safety just to haul a little more? Oh no. The wheels locked and the body swung into the ditch. Lucky it's just paint. ABS isn't magic if you steer too violently. Oh my gosh, dodging a road roller only to dive into a ditch. That's both painful and hilarious. Man, flipping before it even touched the ground. A pricey lesson that slow alone isn't safe. Technique matters. Sigh, one careless moment on a snowy slope and it's a double flip down the cliff. Safety is never optional. One sharp turn and the whole truck flipped, a pricey reminder that slow and steady keeps you upright. Heart-stopping. One pop and the tank slammed sideways. Slow down at any tire oddity.
I fucking center a little too fucking hard, bud. I really hope I...
Oh no, planned a quick water trip but gave the excavator a mud bath instead. Heart-stopping, one blast and boom, bonus hole in the road, note to self, control the drop next time. Speechless. Rescue turned into a failed game of crane Jenga, proof that lifting precision isn't a joke. Almost fainted, a crane lifting a steel column only to take itself down. That is a lesson no one forgets. No laughs here. The mixer turned the site into an off-road track in one reverse move. Never underestimate soft ground. Oh no, took that turn like it's F1. Ended up kissing the roadside pole perfectly. Remember, speed isn't always cool. All I can say is heavens. Rescue not done and another disaster comes. This job is not for the faint of heart. This is why load calculations must be precise to the kilogram. Completely stunned, this rescue was basically gifting another hit to a car that's already suffered enough. Makes you want to cry. Overtook recklessly and dove straight off the cliff. Was those few seconds really worth it? Huge sigh of relief. No injuries, but that mixer proved once again. Heavy vehicles and carelessness don't mix. Good grief, disaster was obvious. Long pipe, short rigging, result, the crane went on a trip too. Unbelievable, one small tilt and the whole rig was gone. This is why engineers measure down to the millimeter. Couldn't help but say, well, that's it. Demolition turned the site into a free circus performance. So good, one single blast and the crane tower collapsed smoothly. This technique deserves applause. What seemed like a simple lift ended with the crane tilting and the poles snapping. Small negligence, big trouble.
Ну, на ФТК надо в четверг ехать бурить. Вот. Потому что это...
In just seconds on camera, the massive gantry crane turned into scrap, a clear warning for any site that ignores safety.
В таком помещении,
Oh man, one snap and the long steel column turned into scrap, a reminder not to cut corners on equipment checks. The crane barely lifted the steel beam before collapsing, a loud reminder to respect load limits. Oh no, before it even touched the ground, the excavator slid down. Someone please check those front tracks. God, the overloaded truck barely reversed before collapsing. Ignoring load limits is just asking for trouble. What a scare, watching logs spill all over as the truck climbed, gaining speed but losing the load. Yikes, the furnace exploded right there, but no one got hurt. Lucky for now, but hidden risks are no joke. Unbelievable, the crane didn't even finish lowering before a spectacular free fall. This is why maintenance matters. Breathtaking, the luxury launch turned into an unexpected drop, a sharp reminder that safety comes first. Oh my God, the derrick went up in flames and collapsed in an instant like an action movie. But this is a costly lesson in industrial safety that must never be ignored.
Старенький кран. О, машина там бедная. Опа!
A horrifying collapse. The crane slid down the slope as if dragged away. Luckily, no one was injured. What a close call. The massive crane collapsed at the intersection, but luckily no one was hurt. Oh no, the massive crane building the bridge over the Volga in Klimovka suddenly collapsed, leaving everyone stunned. Oh my God. Slick rain sent the tanker skidding into the ravine with no injuries. In rain, ease off the throttle and avoid sharp steering. Thank goodness the fallen logs all over the road looked terrifying, but miraculously no one was harmed. Seeing the truck bed crush the cab sent chills down everyone's spine. Thank goodness the driver had stepped out. A rare sight, the sinkhole devoured both dump trucks, leaving everyone watching completely speechless. Who would have thought that just one slip could send the crawler crane tumbling off the trailer like a rock? Luckily, no one got injured. What a tense moment. The tower crane collapsed right in front of the traffic, but thankfully everyone was safe.
Отходи!
This is why engineers say demolition needs skill, not just brute force. This tractor really impressed me. Look at it working hard and roaring. It's awesome. Goddess, this is the real monster. No matter what the terrain is, it can overcome. The cops in this town must groan so bad when they hear over the radio that there was another accident at the bridge.
Хуй его знает.
My God. It was amazing to see the driver get through that melted ice without getting stuck. I think it was probably not about getting the wood out of the forest, as if driving the tractor out of that trash.
Я его в детстве ел. Ёп! Ай, блядь! Пиздец.
This dump truck proves its dangers once again. Pals, stay alert and stay safe.
Все, пиздец, разгрузилась. Он держится.
bet these are amateurs who know nothing. They should hire more experienced people to do this dangerous job. Watch more to see these unbelievable real-life moments, and don't forget to leave a comment if you've ever witnessed something like this.